So this video is going to show you how to manipulate calendars and add and create and stuff like that. So what you want to do is one, make sure you have a Gmail account, and you can log into your Gmail account just by simply going to gmail.com. And so what we'll do is I'll log in, show you how to get there from here. So we'll go to gmail.com, it'll load up your email. In the upper right hand corner there's these 9 dots that kind of lets you go to different areas of Google. So click on those and you'll see that you can go to calendar. When you click on calendar, it's going to open up this view of a calendar. If you have no calendars, it's pretty much just empty. So there'll be no events or anything like that. To create a calendar, simply go to the right side of my calendars and click on the little drop down, and you'll see that it says create a calendar. From here you can enter in a name, we'll call it like production, description, stick a location if you want. You can put like Elk River, and then make sure you have the correct time zone. And then one of the features here is you can make your calendar public, which just simply means that it's available online anywhere. You only want to do this if you want everybody to see your calendar. If you want to do shared permissions, that's what the next step is, and that's where you simply just put the email address of somebody that you want to share the calendar with, and then they have access to your calendar. So you can put anybody's email in there. They don't have to have a Gmail account. If they don't have one, it will send them an email basically stating that they need to sign up for Gmail to share your calendar. So we'll just pop an email address in there, and once you do, it allows you to choose permissions for the calendar, which is on the right hand side. So we'll just choose Sean, pop them in here, and now you can see you have a drop down of you can share events, you can edit events, you can manage share settings, so you can kind of choose. So basically you can add a whole bunch of people into there, and then they all have access to that calendar. When you're done, you can just hit create calendar on the bottom, and once you do, it'll show up then on your on the left hand side of your site, and it'll automatically color code or give you a color. So we'll just turn one of the ones we have on here. So now your calendar is created, and you can click anywhere you want to create an event. Just click into a spot. Basically I always just click and then hit edit event. Give it a name, date, time, location. You can choose a location, and Google will automatically start to populate for you kind of where it's going, what it's coming from, or where you're coming from. And then you can choose to add guests on the right hand side to where you're actually going to be going. And then when you're all done and ready to create your event, hit save. And once you hit save, what will happen? Oh, actually one other thing, make sure you choose the right calendar. Underneath calendar, select the right calendar that you want it to go on. By default, it'll always go to your default calendar. But when you're all done, hit save, your event shows up. And if you wanted to create another calendar, you can simply hit the triangle and create another calendar. Go through the whole process again, and now you'd have 2 calendars that would turn on. It automatically color codes, and you can actually simply click on the triangle to the right side of the calendar and choose the calendar that it is. There's also some share settings, let's say after you create your calendar, that you can edit with. And simply go to the triangle and then hit share this calendar, and then it'll show you who you're sharing with, and you can add more people from there. Another thing you can do here is after you create an event, just by simply dragging and dropping the event, inside the share settings, you can also embed this calendar by simply going to your share this calendar and calendar details. You can copy this code, which we can help you with, and you can place this on their website just to display your calendar. You'd only want to do this function if you made your calendar public. After your events are on there, you can drag and drop these. And it'll automatically update on somebody else's calendar. So if somebody else has shared with this, if they hit refresh, their calendar updates as you change events. Anybody else that has access to manage your events, they will also they can also add stuff on. So hopefully this helps you out with anything you need on calendars. If you have any other questions, let us know.